So first, consider the system of non-homogeneous linear equations which are in the form of Ax equal to b. A1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1. A2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2. A3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. These are the system of non-homogeneous linear equations. So A equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Next, X equal to XYZ, B equal to D1, D2, D3. So I am taking a augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is nothing but AB, quotient matrix, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Quotient matrix along with constant column matrix. So constant column matrix D1, D2, D3. So together is called augmented matrix. So here it is called augmented matrix. Okay, now so this is augmented matrix. So up to this one is A. Together is called AB. So I want this A is a square matrix. So this square matrix I want to convert into identity matrix. I want to convert identity matrix. Before converting identity matrix, first we need to convert a diagonal matrix. So after diagonal matrix, we need to convert a identity matrix. If we are converting into identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 by using elementary row operations, we use only row operations. On system of equations, we apply only row operations. We don't use column operations. So these matrix, this square matrix, quotient matrix converted as identity matrix, automatically this constants will be changed as some values. So let us consider this y, x, y, z. So whatever the value we got here, it is equal to x. This is equal to y. This is equal to z. This is the Gauss-Jordan method. So if we do some problems, we will get an idea. Third, x minus y plus dz equal to 5. X minus y plus dz equal to 5. 4x plus 2y minus z equal to 0. Minus x plus 3y plus z equal to 5. Okay, so now A equal to quotient matrix 1 minus 1 3, 4 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 1, x equal to x y z, b equal to 5 0 5. B equal to 5 0 5. I want to write the augmented matrix AB 1 minus 1 3, 4 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 1, 5 0 5. 5 0 5. Okay, now, so this is the augmented matrix. First, up to this one A, this is AB. If we observe A is a square matrix, so we need to convert first diagonal, ladder, identity matrix. So what is diagonal matrix? Except the diagonal elements, remaining non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. So non-diagonal element I want to convert to 0 first. So first, non-diagonal elements. So if we observe, this is a system of equations. We use only row operation. We don't use column operation. I want to take first column, first effort. So to apply row operations, we use columns. Okay, 1 4 minus 1. So 1 4 minus 1. 1 is the diagonal. 4 minus 1 non-diagonal. These two elements should be 0. 4 is in R2. R2 compulsory with the help of R1. Why we are changing R3? R3 compulsory, we use again R1. So this is 4, this is 1. Write 4. Same sign, keeping minus in middle. This is minus 1 plus 1. Keep plus in middle. So next, 1 minus 1, 3, 5. To convert these two elements as 0, we write this operation. That's why I am writing 0 directly. Okay, now, so to minus 4 into 1 minus 1 plus 4 2 plus 4 6 minus 1 minus 4 into 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 13 next 0 minus 4 into 5 minus 20 0 minus 20 minus 20 next adding minus 1 plus 1 0 3 minus 1 2 1 plus 3 4 5 plus 5 10 now first column except diagonal remaining two zeros. If next we should take second column. If we take the second column, the diagonal element is 6. Other than 6, remaining 2 should be 0. R1 changes to R3 changes to. While we are changing R1 compulsory, R3 compulsory with the help of R2. So it is 1. Of course, it is minus 1. I am taking number 1. This is 6. This 6 right here. Opposite sides keep pressing it. So this is 2 6. If we multiply 3, now it is balanced. This 6 it is also equal to 6. So same sign keeping minus in it. So next. So R1 R3. So R2 is unchanged. R2 I am writing as it is 0 6 minus 13 minus 20. Now 0 6 minus 13 minus 20. First and second row. So this multiply with the 6, latter add 6 into 1 6 plus 0 6. So actually these two elements are 0. That's why we are writing operation. So once I will say 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Next 3 into 6 18. 3 into 6 18 minus 13. 18 minus 13 5. 6 into 5 30 minus 20 30 minus 20 equal to 10. Next 2 0 0 plus 0 whatever 0 2 zeros are automatically 0. 3 into 2 6 minus 6 0. Next 3 into 4 12 minus or minus plus 13 12 plus 13 25. Next 3 into 10 30 minus or minus plus 20 30 plus 20 50. Okay, if we observe third row 0 0 25 50, in each and every element 25 is common. So what I am doing, R3 changes to R3 by 25. These are equations. This is not determined to take common. So elementary operation simply R1 R3 changing R3 by 25. If we divide with 25 it is enough. Okay, only third row changing. First and second as it is 6 0 5 10 6 0 5 10 0 6 minus 13 minus 20 0 by 25 0 0 by 25 0 25 by 25 1 50 by 25 2. Okay, next these two elements should be converted to 0. R1 changes, R2 changes, R1 changing, R1 compulsory, R2 changing, R2 compulsory with the help of R3 since it is the diagonal element here. Okay, this is 5, this is 1. Now it is balanced. Same sign giving minus. This is 13, this is 1. Now it is balanced 13. So minus plus. Different size taking positive in middle. So next 6 0 5 10. R1 changing, R2 changing, R3 4 change 0 0 1 2. To convert these two elements are 0, that's why it is 0. Now 6 minus 5 into 0 0. 6 minus 0 6. 2 zeros 0. This is 10. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10. 10 minus 10 0. Now these two elements are 0 0. 6 plus 13 into 0 0. 6 plus 0 6. Minus 13 plus 1 into 13 plus 13 minus 13 plus 13 0. Minus 20. 13 into 2 26. Minus 13 minus 20 plus 26 6. Okay. Now it is diagonal matrix. It is diagonal matrix Now I want to convert it to identity by dividing diagonal element. What is the diagonal element in the first row? 6. So R1 divided with 6. What is the second diagonal element in the second row? 6. This is also 6. Divide the second row with 6. R1 changes to R1 by 6. R2 changes to R2 by 6. So it implies 6 by 6 1, 0 by 6 0, 0 by 6 0, 0 by 6 0. Next 0 by 6 0, 6 by 6 1, 0 by 6 0, 6 by 6 1, 0, 0 1 2. So this is the identity matrix. So first row corresponding element here. First element x, second element y, third element z. X, y, z. X equal to 0, y equal to 1, y equal to 2. So this is the Gauss-Jordan method. So some more problems we will discuss. Next, question number 2 I want to discuss. Second question. X plus y plus z equal to 2x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6. Next, x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 3. So a equal to 1 1 1 2 2 3 1 4 9. X equal to x y z. B equal to 1 6 3. A x b. So x equal to x y z, b equal to 1 6 3. So ax equal to b. Now I want to write aggregated matrix AB. First A 1 1 1 2 2 3 1 4 9 1 6 3. So this is the aggregated matrix AB. This is A. So this matrix A we need to convert identity matrix. First we converted to diagonal matrix. What are the diagonal positions? 1 2 9. These three are the diagonal positions. Remaining all should be equal to 0. Non-diagonal element should be 0. So if we take column wise, so we apply row operations only. That's why I want to take column wise. First column 1 2 1 1 2 1. In this 1 to 1, this one is a diagonal element. Remaining these two elements we need to convert to 0. So this is R2, R3. Why we are changing R2 R2 compulsory? Why we are changing R3 R3 compulsory? With the help of R1. So this is 2, this is 1 balanced. So same sign minus. This is 1 balanced. Same sign minus. So next, first row as is 1 1 1 1. So 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 0 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 2 minus 2 0 3 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 1 6 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 3 6 minus 2 4. Next R3 minus R1 subtract 1 minus 1 0 4 minus 1 3 9 minus 1 8 3 minus 1 2 0. Okay, so first column except diagonal element remaining 2 0. If we observe second column, we need to convert except the diagonal element remaining 2 should be 0. So diagonal won't be 0, but here it is diagonal only 0. So if diagonal is equal to 0, we can't do anything. Okay, so diagonal position I want to change. I want to interchange these two elements, not these two elements, these two rows. I want to interchange these two rows. If we interchange these two rows, 3 will come into the diagonal position. If we interchange these two rows, this 0 will become coming here. Then if we observe first column, diagonal element won't be there. So we don't interchange R1 R2. We must interchange R2 and R3. R2 interchange R3. 1 1 1 1 0 3 8 2 0 3 8 2 0 0 1 4. So this is the diagonal element. The remaining two elements should be 0. This is 1, this is 0. These two elements should be 0. It is already 0. So we need to convert this one only 0. So this is in R1. with the help of R3, R2. So this is 1, this is 3. This we write here. Same sign, keeping minus in 0, 3, 8, 2. 0, 0, 1, 4. So first and second. First matrix multiplied by 3. First row multiplied by 3 minus second. So 3 into 1, 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 equal to 3. Next 3 into 1, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So we need to convert this is 0. That's why we write this operation. Next 3 into 1, 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 minus 5. Next 3 into 1, 3 minus 2, 1. Now, so first column zeros we got non-diagonal. Second column non-diagonal means 0. Third column diagonal 1, non-diagonal minus 5 and 8. These two should be 0. So R1 changes, R2 changes. Why we are changing R1, R1 compulsory, R2 compulsory with the help of R3. So R1, what is R1? Minus 5. If we are taking number 5, balance. Okay? Opposite signs keep plus in middle. This is 8, this is 1. Right 8. Balance 8, now it is 8. So same sign, keeping minus 8. So R1 and R2 changed, R3 unchanged. So I am doing R3. I am writing R3 first. Okay. What is R3? 0, 0, 1, 4. 0, 0, 1, 4. Next, first row. First row, 3. This is 3. 5 into 0, 0. 3 plus 0, 3. Actually, these two elements are used are 0 because these we are trying to converting these to 0. That's why we are writing that operation. Next, these two are 0. Automatically, it is equal to 0. Since we are writing operation for this minus 5 plus 5 into 1 minus 5 plus 5 0. Now this is 1. 5 into 4 20. 1 plus 20 21. Next, these two elements are 0. That's why it is definitely 0. Next, this is 3 minus 8 into 0 0. 3 minus 0 3. So next, this is 8 minus 1 into 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 0. Next, 2 minus 8 into 4 minus 32. 2 minus 32 minus 30. Okay, now we got this one. This is diagonal matrix. It is converted to diagonal matrix. So now I want to divide this with the diagonal. First row diagonal element 3. So that's why I want to divide R1 with 3. R2. Second row diagonal element 3. Here also. So R2 divided with 3. So 3 by 3 1 0 0. 21 by 3 7. Divided 3. This also 3 0. 3 by 3 1 0. Minus 30 by 3 minus 10. Next 0 0 1 4. So now it is diagonal element. These are the isolated values. X equal to 7, y equal to minus 10, z equal to 4. This is the solution. Now, seventh question. Solve 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 8 minus x plus 2y plus z equal to 4. 3x plus y minus 4z equal to 0. So this is the matrix. This is the equation, system of equations. A equal to 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. X equal to x y z. B equal to 8 4 0. Augmented matrix A B 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 this one, complete this one AB up to this one A. So this A matrix we need to convert identity matrix. So before identity I want to convert diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix. So first column minus 1 and 3 are the non-diagonal matrix. These two are 0. R2 changes. R3 changes. Why we are changing R2? R2 compulsory. R3 changing. R3 compulsory with the help of the diagonal R. Okay. This is 2. This is minus 1. So this is number 1. This is 2. So this 2 we must write here. So opposite signs keep plus in middle. Opposite signs plus in middle. Okay. Next, observe these two. So this is 2. This is 3. R3 3. R1 2. This 2 right here. This 3 right here. So same sign keeping minus in middle. So R2 and R3 are changing. R1 unchanged. R1 I am writing 2 minus 1 3 8. Next, these two elements are 0. That's why we are writing operation. Next, this one 2 into 2 4 minus 1 4 minus 1 3. Next, 2 into 1 2 plus 3 2 plus 3. Again 2 into 1 2 plus 3 5. Next, 4 into 2 8 plus 8 16. One more time, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 0. Next, 2 into 2 4 minus 1 3. Next, 2 into 1 2 plus 3 5. 2 into 4 8 plus 8 16. Okay, next, coming to this one, 2 into 3 6. 3 into 2 6. 6 minus 6 0. Next, 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 2 plus 3 5. 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 3 into 3 minus 9 minus 8 minus 9 minus 17. 2 into 0 0 minus 3 into 8 minus 24. 2 into 0 0 minus 3 into 8 minus 24. 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 9 minus 17. 2 into 1 2 plus 3 5. Okay, correct. Now second column. If you observe second column, 3 is the diagonal element, minus 1 and 5 convert to 0. R1 changes to R3 changes to R1 R3 with the help of R2. So it is 3. This is 3. This is number. Okay. This is 1. This is 3. This 3 right here. Opposite sign keep plus. R3 5 3. This 3 right here. This 5 right here. Same sign keep minus in middle. So R2 remains same. What is R2? 0 3 5 16. Next. First coming to this one. 3 into 2 6 plus 0 6. Next, minus 3 plus 3 0. These two elements are 0. 3 into 3 9 plus 5 9 plus 5 14. 3 into 8 24 plus 16 40. Next, 2 0. These two are zeros, automatically it is 0. So to convert this 0, we write this operation, automatically it is 0. 3 into minus 17 minus 51. Minus 5 into minus plus 5 minus 25. Minus 51 minus 25 minus 76. Next, 3 into minus 24 minus 72. Minus 5 into 16 minus 80. Minus 72 minus 80 minus 152. If we observe third row, minus 76 comma 76 into 2 152. So R3 changes to R3 by minus 76. So 6 0 14 40 0 3 5 16 0 0 1 cancel 2. So if we observe third column, one is the diagonal element, 14 and 5 are the non-diagonal. These two we should convert to 0. R1 changes to R2 changes to. While we are changing R1 compulsory, R2 compulsory with the help of R3. So it is 14, it is 1. Now it is balanced. Same sign minus. This is 5, 1. Write 5. Same sign minus. So we are changing R1, R3 unchanged 0, 0, 1, 2. To convert these two elements as 0, that's why I am writing 0. So now this is 6. 14 into 0, 0. 6 minus 0, 6. 2, these two 0, 0. 40. 14 into 2, 28. 40 minus 28 equal to 12. Next, coming to this one. 0, 0. 2 zeros automatically 0. 3 minus 5 into 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. So this is 0. 16 minus 5 into 2, minus 10. 16 minus 10, 6. Now it is diagonal matrix. So this diagonal matrix I want to convert into identity matrix. Identity matrix. So in this diagonal matrix, the diagonal element is 6. R1 changes to R1 by 6. R2 changes to R2 by, what is the diagonal element? 3. First row divided with 6. 6 by 6, 1, 0, 0. 12 by 6, 2. 0. Divided with 3, 0. 3 by 3, 1, 0. 6 by 3, 2. 0, 0, 1, 2. So now it is the diagonal matrix x, y, z. X equal to y equal to z equal to. So this is the required solution. Whatever the method you may apply. So Kramers, Gauss-Jordan, Almas method, whatever the method we may apply, but the result is always same.